Once your Partner Portal account is active and you've logged in, there are several partner-specific actions you can take, including registering deals and viewing your pipeline. For both of those, we visit the Partners tab right up at the top. At the top left of the Partners tab, we can see Deal Registration, Pipeline, and Collateral Resources. The Deal Registration page allows you to enter any type of deal, any type of opportunity that you're working that you want AvePoint to be aware of. To enter a new opportunity, over on the right here, we click New Deal. On the New Deal form, you can enter in details about the opportunity, including giving it a name, entering an expected close date, and selecting all applicable products. And then down towards the bottom, you can enter information about the customer and any additional details you might have. And once you've filled everything in, you click Save. You see, we then land back on the deal registration page, and I can see the lists of all the deals that I've entered. Clicking on any of them will expand them to show you the details. Your partner manager, whose name you can see over here on the left-hand side, will be made aware that this new deal has been entered in. Once the account manager reviews and approves that, it will appear over on the Pipeline tab. On the Pipeline tab, you can review all of your ongoing opportunities. You can see them by status, open or closed, and you even have stages with which you can filter. So if I wanted to only view anything in the proving the value stage, for instance, I would uncheck these other three. In addition to that, you can take a look by the created date and the close date, and right here for your convenience, there's a quick shortcut button to jump over to the new deal form. Thanks for watching this short video on registering deals and reviewing the pipeline as a partner in the AvePoint account portal.